This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls Company, but the units are only available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada. The TH4 models have basic features and an 8.2 heating efficiency rating. The units have impact-resistant, powder-painted, galvanized steel, two-piece extruded coil guards, but they are slotted, which provides less protection from lawnmower debris and hail than louvered panels. They feature micro-channel construction for a compact unit and are backed by an average warranty. The HC19 models are premium units that feature their silent drive noise control system, which includes a swept wing condenser fan, isolated compressor compartment, and base pan made of a composite material. They also use demand defrost for more efficient operation, as a defrost cycle is only initiated when it is really necessary. They have a 10 HSPF heating efficiency and the warranty is very good when the units are installed as a matched system. The HC20 models are ultimate heat pumps featuring variable speed fans and compressors, as well as a compressor blanket for very quiet operation. They have a climate sync feature that allows the installing contractor to quickly fine-tune the equipment to match the climate where the equipment is installed. Their Charge Smart feature allows an installing contractor to quickly and accurately install and charge the HC20. The warranty on the units is not as good as some of the other brands, as it does not include unit replacement if the compressor fails, which has become the industry standard, and the units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.